So basically you have the wire inside a glass bulb, you know, and it heats up, which creates a lot of heat. I mean, that is incredible. Hello my friends, welcome back to another unboxing. For today's video, we're checking out this large heater, so let's get seeing if it actually heats. Alright guys, this is the heater, and as you can see, it is nice and tall. That's a good thing because that means from here, the whole way to here, it's going to be dispersing the heat out. So what you want to do is you want to remove these foam pieces that are inside here. Try not to rip them, because if you rip them and a piece gets stuck in there, well, that could be a fire hazard. So just pull it out nice and slow. So on the front here, you have your different levels, and you can also lock and unlock it, and so much more. So make sure you check out your manual for more information. But overall, very nice. Now there is a handle in here that we're going to put on. There are some accessories, but we want to get to testing it out and seeing how well it performs. As you can see in the back here, this is where it has air to vent. But let's give it a shot. Alright guys, once plugged in, it's going to light up red, and it's going to be locked. So you have to push the button, and then it's going to light up white all around here, and then it will start heating. And we will show you guys closer, but it's actually really cool. Press the button again and it locks it at whatever temperature. Oh no, okay, it actually turns it off. So let's show you guys closer. We installed our handle on here. So if you guys can see right here, when you turn it on, oh no, okay, safety feature. There's a button underneath. We'll show you guys that. There we go. So now you guys can see as we're turning it, that's the temperature level. And if you want it off, pressing the button locks it. So now let's test out the safety feature here. Okay, so there's a little button on the bottom that can sense when it's on and off. So right now you have it turned on, it's maxed out, everything's good. Let's say you have kids or pets or whatnot. Okay, they're turned off. So just by tilting it that much, and then when it turns off, it stays off. So let's test it again backwards. Okay, so we got to turn it on. Okay, here we go. Off. So basically you lift it that much and it turns off. So excellent safety feature. I'm loving that. Let's see if we can get show you guys how this lights up, because it is pretty cool. So check this out, how fast that heats up. That is incredible. So you do not have any actual temperature digital reading or anything. I don't think. No, you don't. So there's no actual temperature reading on here, but you know, you got the different settings, and if you check out your manual, there's a remote control in here, and as well as it goes over the heat settings on, you know, what temperature is at what and all that stuff. They also do give you more accessories as well and stuff to put on, so check out your manual for that. But it does, this will heat a pretty decent sized room, because I mean, that's pushing out heat. That's incredible. So let's see, it says press the knob to turn on and off, press and hold the knob for 2 seconds to set the timer, rotate the knob to adjust the heat, press and hold the knob for 5 seconds to lock and unlock the knob on standby. So press and hold. Okay, nice. So if you press and hold it for 5 seconds, about 5 seconds, it locks it, but it stays on. So that way you can't bump it, you can't do anything. Now let's see the safety feature. The safety feature turns it off, and it keeps it on the lock position, so you can't do nothing. So then you press and hold for 5 seconds, like before, and that takes away the lock button, and now it's free. But as you guys can see, it is nice, and I'm sure if you look at the video, if you guys look at the product, you can tell that it's pushing out a lot of heat. Like, this is a lot of heat. Couple things. Don't have any pets around that like to knock stuff over. If they do knock it over, you know, it's gonna turn off and cool off, but they might burn themselves, or if they get their fur caught inside or something, you know, if they rub up against it. If you have kids that like to stick their fingers in stuff, you might want to put this out of their reach, set it up high somewhere, so they don't burn themselves, because this will get very hot. So, with that being said, this is a nice heater. I love it. This is definitely going to heat a pretty decent sized room.